This is the Asian session review for spot gold market on Thursday, the August 6th, 2026. So as I just mentioned in the previous review, we had this strong continuation. So we had a huge 5% up day on gold on Wednesday. New York fixed range volume profile for the gold pit. Trading hours was right up at the high of the day of that huge day up. Point of control up very high. Point of control was definitely acting as support coming into the close. Immediately on the open, we sort of first hour traded sideways, but then we started moving up in the 9 a.m. So in the second hour of trading, we're already moving up. And sometimes you sort of look at trades in the cold light of day the next day and was saying, why did I do that? And I was looking for a quick, against all this bullish momentum, sometimes your brain is just, you're thinking, what are you doing? But it's sort of human nature to sometimes, want to sell up at these high prices. That's where we all get caught out doing that. Previous day's high was right here. I was looking for rejection, so this was the fade value area sell at the value area high, but we were already in price discovery and the fire lines were well above the upper value line and coming into the first upper fire line, which was a target. So you sort of cold light of day saying, why not buy this breakout to at least take out this previous day's high. Buy orders above that. Sellers might even have their stops brought down here, as we have been selling off for a long time now after seeing this huge bullish day, and I got caught out. But to my credit, I took my stop. It was all according to risk. I took my first touch sell here and got run over very quickly. I think I got run over within about 30 seconds. So those ones sting, and I'm glad I sort of just took my stop, didn't try to just take my stop off or let it hold, and had the awareness and clarity of mind to switch very, very quickly to this price discovery buy off of the previous day's high and the value area high. Just beautiful trade. And, once I saw this was Tokyo, drove back down, price was supported here. I saw this fakey sweep, bullish close. I wanted to close thinking, okay, I've got a little profit. I actually added to my trade. So well done. And exited early to, I was looking probably for the high of the day, but I was already carrying quite good size and should have, up here would have been just a nice target if we thought even the high of the day as an auto target. That would have been nice, but got my profit. Just before the close of the first 30 minutes, we did get this rejection that might have scared a few people, but that turned out to be a fake move as we moved back above the first fire line. No real sweep here. You could have got a sweep, but by that time you're way up here. Price double topped eventually up here, and that was pretty much it for the session. If you're a trader who likes to hold those trades, you might have got a little bit more, but maybe not too much. But this was the nice target for a nice base hit. If you were trading a little bit past, once you saw this close back below the previous day's high, we started to get back into return to value territory. There was a nice little trade back to sort of just above the point of control, above the high of the day. That didn't get hit until New York came in. That we had liquidity engineered here at an hourly low just above the low of the day and just went sideways from there. So it was, to me, like, you'd have to give yourself maybe a B plus for this type of trading, is that you got stopped out very quick, but you swapped it around very quickly as well as adding to. That was a nice profitable day, that one.